THE COUNCIL of Trent, the 22nd Session. The Canons and Decrees of the Sacred and Ecumenical Council of Trent. Edited and translated J. Waterworth. Chapter IX. Administrators of any pious places whatsoever shall give in their accounts to the Ordinary, unless it be otherwise provided by the foundation. The administrators, whether ecclesiastical or lay, of the fabric of any church whatsoever, even though it be a cathedral, as also of any hospital, confraternity, charitable institution, called mont de piete, and of any pious places whatsoever, shall be bound to give in once a year an account of their administration to the Ordinary, all customs and privileges to the contrary being set aside, unless it should happen that, in the institution and regulations of any church or fabric, it has been otherwise expressly provided. But if from custom or privilege, or some regulation of the place, their account has to be rendered to others deputed thereunto, in that case the Ordinary shall also be employed jointly with them, and all acquittances given otherwise shall be of no avail to the said administrators.